What's up, guys? So we're gonna be doing Windows 10 installation on this Dell laptop. We're gonna need our bootable USB drive and make sure the charger is plugged in while we're doing this. Then we're gonna press the power button and we're gonna be tapping on the F12 key. Preparing one-time boot is gonna show up there, and then it's gonna boot into the it's gonna ask you which drive is it, so you're gonna click on the whichever bootable drive you have. Mine is USB flash disk. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click next on it, by the way. Then we're gonna click Windows 10 setup 64-bit. It's gonna be loading files. Then it's going to show the Windows sign. Now we're on the setup screen. So the language will be English, United States. The time and currency format will be English, United States. The keyboard or input method will be US. And then you click next. Depends on the country that you're in, you're going to use that. But we're in the United States, so we're going to use that. So the setup is starting. Okay, so we're gonna click on the box there to check the license and terms. Next, then we're gonna click on custom installation. We're gonna delete all these partitions because they're not needed and the customer doesn't need a backup, so we're gonna delete all of them. And it's all gonna, when it deletes, it's gonna turn into unallocated space, so it'll be like a fresh drive then. So now we're gonna click next, because it shows the 238.5 gigs. Click next. And then it's going to be copying Windows files. So when that process finish, everything is gonna reboot. The computer is gonna turn on. So right now it's starting on. I cut that piece out a little bit because there's a little long process there. And then it says getting ready. This is when it's finished the installation. Now it's starting up. So it's going to say getting ready. Then it's going to ask you your region. It's going to be United States. Yes. It's going to say just a moment. You click United States on the keyboard layout. Okay. And then we're going to skip this one. We're also going to click I don't have internet. We're going to click there. Then we're going to put admin as the username, or you could put whatever username you want to put if it's your name. I click next. Is admin. Click next. We're going to put no password here, so next also. I'm going to click next. Accept. Alright, it's gonna say hi, and it's gonna be getting ready. The system's gonna be getting ready, so I'm gonna leave that to go for a little bit until the system turns on the desktop. Okay, it's wrapping up there. System turn on. You can see your desktop now. So you're gonna click on recycle bin. You're gonna double click on it, or you could just left click twice. First, we're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi right now. I'm gonna enter the password in. Click connect. I'm gonna go to the recycle bin, and then go to computers so that we could check to make sure that the Windows is activated, because this is a digital license Windows.
Monkey.
So when you use the Windows 10 software that comes from the Microsoft website, it reads the digital keys that are on the system, the product IDs. So it's gonna reinstall back to the original key. So that way it's not a bootleg key, it's the original key that was on the system. The link for this Microsoft I think is a Windows media creation tool. I'll link it in the description below so you guys can have a look at it or download it. I'll click on this PC. I'm gonna right click properties, and you're gonna see there Windows 10 Pro and Windows is activated. So this system, the Windows 10 software, it already reads that this is a Windows 10 Pro system, so it's activated for that. If you like this video, subscribe, leave a like. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy.